duct tape. So I'm going to take this point, put that around the center of the tape. Take this, you should see it's going to go right. Just like this. Okay.
Here's
I'm not sure it is.
There's a small piece.
Yeah, that small piece is for the people at home that think I can see down. Yeah, it's a piece of paper. Good.
Okay.
Is that fair?
That's fair.
Okay. Now you notice that there's a blindfold as well.
Yes.
I want you to take the blindfold.
It is very dangerous when you drive a car blindfolded. You're not focused on what's coming from the sides. You're not focused on the people behind you. You're focused on going where you're going. And that's what makes this so dangerous.
And now I'm nervous.
Now, I'm going to ask you to bring me over to your car.
Okay. Now bring it to the driver's side.
Now, let me ask you, is everything completely fair?
Everything is completely fair.
Can
And
you
now I'm nervous.
Can you open up the door?
Alright, the door is open. Okay. You feel right in front of you the car is right there. That's the seat. There's like a little dip down to sit
¿Están
down.
justo en eso?
Yep.
¿Qué dice el técnico? Hacer eso.
Do you want me to start the...
No. You
Okay.
give me the key.
Here's the key.
All right.
And I'll close the door for you.
Okay. You're going to come around.
I'm going to come around.